Hello friends, today I want to show you how to remove an object or a spot from a video in CapCut. So friends, look at this video, right? Look at this video carefully. Did you notice that yellow something on the desk? This yellow something on the desk. Okay, now look at the same video here. As you can see now, that yellow something is no longer there. I have erased it. I have removed it from the video. Okay, so I am going to show you how I did it. I'm going to show you step by step how I removed it from the video. Okay, so let's dive into it. So click on the CapCut icon on your mobile. Now click on new project. Okay, select the video that you want to add. Click add. Okay, select the video and look for duplicate. Okay, let's look for it. Where is duplicate? Yeah, click on duplicate. Okay, select the new duplicated one and look for overlay. Okay, click overlay. Now drag the video to align with the original video. Okay, this is it. Select the video and click on mask. Let's click on mask. Okay, now select the circle mask. Click on the circle mask. Okay, now drag the handler to any portion or position where you want to patch use to patch the object you want to remove. So adjust it. Let's adjust it to suit the size of the object that you want to remove. Keep adjusting it until you are comfortable with it, until it's okay by you. Then once you are done, okay, I think this is fine now. This is fine. Okay, then click on select. Just select it. Okay, now drag it over the object you want to cover or remove. So keep adjusting it until you can no longer see the object. Okay, I'm taking my time to make sure I do a clean job. Okay, I think it's now fine. It's okay now. Yeah, so now let's play the video and see. As you can see, the object is no longer there. Okay, so now let's export it. Okay, yeah, it's done. So let us go to the gallery and play the video that we just exported and check if we have done a good job or not. So this is the video here. Let's play it and see. Okay, as you can see, the yellow object is no longer there on the desk. It's no longer there. So we really did a very good job. So guys, this is how to remove or erase an object from a video. If you like what you have just watched now, please do me a favor by clicking the like button, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thank you so much and see you in the next one. Bye.